Good morning, everybody. My name is Mark Manassi, and I'm here to help introduce the 3CSN RA event for ELAC in the San Diego Community College District. I unfortunately, obviously, can't be there this morning. I still haven't figured out how to be in 3 or 4 places at once. Once I do, I will let you all know so we can use that power together. In the meantime, Tiffany and Devin are going to do an amazing job talking about how to help our students with RA. And in the meantime, we thought it would also be kind of fun to use technology. So, Denise, if you're there, are you over there? There? Raise your hand. Oh, there you are, over there, Denise. We thought it'd be fun to use technology. So, hopefully, I do you proud and this goes swimmingly. But we'll see what happens. So, here's the introduction to the event. So, like I said, here we are. Here are our names, places we work, all those kind of fun things. Yay. This is kind of how I feel right now. We used this image in a presentation earlier this week, but yeah, I feel like that John Levitt's guy behind the curtain. So hopefully you don't feel that way too much. Here's our agenda for the day. We're going to do a 3CSN overview. We're going to talk about some goals. You're going to get an introduction to an RA framework, and from our survey, we saw that there's a lot of people are in the introductory phases of understanding RA, so this is going to be a perfect day for y'all in your ESL or ELAC classes. We're going to talk about and bridge what you did with mentor text in your last session with RA or reading apprenticeship. We're going to do a practitioner spotlight. That's when I'm going to come back in later in the day. You're going to get some time to apply what you learned, and then we'll do some feedback and evaluations. So here are our goals for the day. We want to explore how the professional learning frameworks that we develop for ourselves in 3CSN can extend to the ESOL classroom or the ELAC classroom. We want to deepen learning around RA framework and apply what you learn to your future ELAC classes. And we want to network with SDCCD colleagues to create an ELAC RA COP. Our sub goal is to use as many acronyms as possible. So I started us off with 4 in one sentence. So your goal today is to use at least 5 in one sentence. So here's what we're going to do to start off. You just won an award for your outstanding ELAC program. All of your colleagues are standing and clapping. What is your award for, and what have you accomplished? So I want you to get into groups of 2, 3, or 4 and talk about this visioning exercise for a second. And Tiffany or Devin, you should pause this video now. Okay, now you have unpaused the video, so I will keep going. So you've done your visioning, you've talked about that a little bit. So here's a little background to 3CSN, our mission, our theory of change, and network building. So the mission of 3CSN is to develop leaders in California community colleges who have the capacity to facilitate networks of faculty, staff, and students for curricular and institutional redesigns in support of increased student access, success, equity, and completion. One of the underpinnings of this is our theory of change, and that is if we provide training on networking, like these activities today, and we use action research methodologies where we see what's working well, and then we utilize that information to tweak and have a loop of information going on, community college professionals will transform their environments and identities to create communities of practice, that COP acronym, and one of those COPs can be an ELAC RA, for example, that will produce powerful learning and working across campuses. This will lead to greater student success. What is a community of practice? Well, a community of practice is when we work with building networks that work. We identify a shared issue, we create a shared vision of possible solutions, and we build a sustained community of practitioners around it. So in this particular workshop today, it might be how do we best support students in our future and new ELAC curriculum? what is something we want to create together. Maybe that starts today, connecting mentor text, RA, 3CSN, whatever it is. And then you build this idea of sustained conversations around that, where we keep coming back to this idea again and again, working together to improve. And there are a myriad of 3CSN COPs. There's CAP, which you may have heard of before. That started with 3CSN. There's one that I kind of care about a little bit, called the Learning Assistance Project. I co-lead that for California with two colleagues of mine. And there's also Reading Apprenticeship. This is another community of practice with 3CSN. There's something called the Equity Project, Habits of Mind, and we're developing more. So overall, that is the introduction to today's session. And now Devin and Tiffany, take it away.